Now she starts up.
Alrighty, YouTube, so we're picking up the two vehicles that broke down. The Nissan, it broke another starter. And then I'll tell you about the DeVille. Oh man, that's a lot faster.
Oh yeah.
But then the DeVille here, it broke a vacuum line gasket. So, here, Dad, you can hold the camera and I'll start it up from the inside. Gotta grab my keys.
Yeah. Love you.
Well, let's see how it does now. Hopefully a lot smoother.
Just use it to start it up, because I'm going to take it.
Yep. Man, it is very quiet now.
Yep.
It's not even whining as loud as it used to. Do you hear that? The secondary AIR pump is not whining as loud as it used to.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, so maybe it was that vacuum leak that was causing it to whine so loudly.